Welcome back to Coins ZF, the place where ordinary-looking coins turn into extraordinary stories of wealth, mystery, and history. Today, I want you to relax, listen carefully, and imagine this scenario. You open an old drawer, a forgotten wallet, or a small coin box passed down through generations. Inside, you see a simple South African 1 Rand coin dated 1999. At first glance, it looks ordinary. But what if I told you that this very coin is connected to a claimed value of $54,480 million? Yes, you heard that right. Stay with me because this story is not just about a coin. It is about timing, history, rarity, human psychology, and the dream that one small object can change a life forever. Before we go deeper, I want you to do something important. If you enjoy discovering hidden value, rare coins, and powerful money stories, make sure you are subscribed to Coins ZF. Many of our viewers are collectors, investors, retirees, and everyday people who love learning how small metal pieces can carry massive value. Watching till the end is important today because the real secrets and the big reveal always come later. Now let us begin with the background of the 1 Rand coin of South Africa. The Rand is more than just a currency. It represents the economic backbone of South Africa and reflects the country's journey through political change, social transformation, and global trade. By 1999, South Africa had already entered a new era. The nation was redefining itself after major historical changes, and its coinage reflected a fresh identity while still honoring tradition. The 1999 1 Rand coin was minted during a period of transition and modernization. These coins were produced for everyday circulation, which is why millions of people may have handled one at some point. However, in the world of coin collecting, value does not always come from age alone. Sometimes value comes from condition, sometimes from errors, sometimes from extremely limited batches, and sometimes from stories that push demand beyond logic. The standard design of the 1999 1 Rand coin includes strong national symbolism. On one side, you see the coat of arms or national imagery that reflects unity, strength, and heritage. The metal composition, weight, and diameter were carefully chosen for durability and daily use. To the average person, this is just a normal coin. But collectors know that within normal production, abnormalities can exist. Now let us talk about why collectors search so intensely for specific years like 1999. The late 1990s were a period of technical changes in minting processes. Machines were upgraded, dies were replaced, and quality control standards were evolving. Whenever systems change, mistakes can happen. Misaligned dies, off-center strikes, double strikes, wrong metal planchets, weak details, and unusual surface textures can all turn a common coin into a once-in-a-lifetime discovery. Imagine a 1999 1 Rand coin with a striking error that escaped the mint. Imagine a coin with a perfectly documented provenance, untouched condition, and a unique feature that no other known example shares. This is where imagination meets collector obsession. In extreme cases, private collectors and institutions are willing to place unbelievable valuations on coins that they believe are truly unique. Now let us address the number that everyone is waiting for. The claimed value associated with this 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin is $54,480 million. This figure immediately shocks the mind. It challenges logic and forces us to ask important questions. How can such a small coin be connected to such a massive value? The answer lies not only in metal and minting, but in market psychology that in the collectibles world, value is not always determined by metal content. Gold and silver matter, yes, but rarity and story often matter more. A coin becomes priceless when demand becomes emotional. When wealthy collectors compete, numbers lose meaning. What matters is ownership, prestige, and the power of saying, I have the only one. Some stories suggest that coins tied to historical transitions, controversial minting runs, or undocumented test strikes can reach unbelievable claim valuations. Whether every claim is verified or not, the buzz itself fuels attention. Attention creates desire. Desire creates demand. And demand, in rare cases, creates astronomical price tags. Let's pause for a moment. If you're watching this and you own South African coins, especially from the late 1990s, this is the moment to pay attention. Never clean your coins. Never polish them. Cleaning destroys collector value instantly. Always handle coins by the edges and store them in protective holders. A single mistake can turn a potential treasure into pocket change. Now, let me tell you a short scenario that many collectors relate to. A retired worker keeps a small tin of coins collected over decades. One day, curiosity strikes. He checks dates, conditions, and varieties. What started as a hobby turns into research. Research turns into verification. And verification turns into life-changing news. Stories like this are rare, but they do exist, and that is why millions of people around the world still search through coins. At this point in the video, let me quickly thank today's sponsor. This video is supported by a trusted coin storage and protection brand that helps collectors keep their coins safe from damage, moisture, and fingerprints. If you're serious about collecting or just starting out, proper storage is not optional. It is essential. Details are available in the description below, and supporting them helps support Coins ZF. Now back to the coin itself. The 1999 1 Rand coin in top-grade condition is extremely difficult to find. Most circulated coins show scratches, dull surfaces, and edge wear. High-grade examples that look almost new are rare. When grading services evaluate coins, they look at strike quality, luster, surface preservation, and eye appeal. A single grade difference can multiply value many times over. Add an unusual minting feature to that condition, and the value conversation completely changes. Some collectors believe that a tiny number of special 1999 Rand coins were produced under experimental conditions. Whether officially confirmed or not, speculation itself drives market excitement. Rumors in the collector world can move prices just as strongly as facts. Let us talk about why people believe in such extreme valuations. Wealthy collectors are not buying coins just to resell. They buy history. They buy conversation pieces. They buy legacy items to pass down. When money is no object, the price becomes symbolic rather than practical. A claim value like $54,480 million becomes a statement, not just a number. You may be wondering whether every 1999 1 Rand coin is worth this amount. The honest answer is no. The vast majority are face value or slightly more. But the idea that one example could exist with extraordinary features keeps the dream alive. And in collecting, dreams are powerful that if you have such a coin, the first step is authentication. Never rely on online comments alone. Professional grading and documentation are critical. Without proof, a story remains a story. With proof, a story becomes a legend. Let me also remind you that the coin market is emotional. Values rise and fall based on trends, media attention, and collector interest. A viral story can ignite global demand overnight. That is why channels like Coins ZF exist, to explore these stories, question them, and share knowledge with you today. As we move toward the end of today's video, I want you to reflect on something important. The real value of coins is not only money. It is curiosity, learning, and connection to history. Even if you never find a coin worth millions, the journey itself is rewarding. That if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1999 South Africa 1 Rand coin and its claim value of $54,480 million, show your support by liking this video and sharing it with someone who loves coins or history. Comment below if you own South African coins or if you want us to cover another coin in a future episode. Thank you for spending your time with Coins ZF. Remember, sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest stories. Keep searching, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.